What is up, everyone? Today is day 4 of the 5-day video sprint. Today is the concept video, and I have a concept that I want to share with you that I was getting into a little bit on Twitter today. So, quick reality check. If you're hanging all of your hopes on YouTube ad revenue, you're setting yourself up for failure. Algorithms change, demonetization, new YouTube ad policies. You are not the captain of that ship. If you want to be in control, then move that audience over to your email list, or even better, to a customer list. There are 3 big wins here. 1, you're in the driver's seat. You are no longer trying to game the YouTube algorithm because you aren't relying on it. Number 2, direct communication. You can email your audience as much as they'll let you. You can call them on the phone, you can send them a text message. And finally, number 3, there is a direct path to monetization. You don't have to be qualified by having 1,000 subscribers. You can monetize with 1 person. You can monetize with 10 people, with 100 people. Courses, premium content, merchandise, you name it. So stop playing small. Get your audience on your email list or your customer list and make revenue like a boss. Your future self will give you a standing ovation. Peace.